Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. The events that happened today, the change of leadership, was legit, was legal, because it was based on Supreme Court decision, the Avellino versus Cuenco case way back in 1949, February 18, 1949. And there was also a precedent in 2017 when Senator Franklin Loan was the Senate President. There was a quorum, 12 of them, because out of the 24, 3 were in prison. Sa kulungan po yung tatlong senador. 5 po ang nakabakasyon, kaya 12 po ang nagkaroon po sila ng quorum. So we have a precedent. The reason why we have to do this, there's already a violation of the Constitution. 3 straight days po. They blatantly disregard the rule of law, the Constitution. So we have to act. And we are very fortunate that one of them, member of the majority before, Senator Chis Escudero, do not conform and do not believe in what they are fighting for. Hindi po siya naniniwala because he believes na yung kanilang pinaglalaban ay mali po. Na yung kanilang pagbo-boycott ay para ipagtanggol lamang ang ilang sa mga kasamahan nila. So, the guy suddenly made a decision today to join para magkaroon po kami ng quorum. And you may ask, bakit hindi? Is there a quorum? Yes, there is. We're just considered 22 now. So, divided by 2, that's 12 plus, 11 plus 1 is 12. So, we have a dalawa po sa amin, yung isa nagtatago, yung isa nakakulong. So we only have, ang bilang po ay 22. So divided by 2, yung sabi po na majority, para makuha majority, divided by 2, it was 11 plus 1, and that was Chis Escudero nga po arriving today. So na-break po yung impasse when Senator Escudero showed up today, because na sinasabi niya po sa amin, he doesn't believe anymore on what they're fighting for. Number 2, there will be a Blue Ribbon Committee hearing on Monday. We are just moving the scheduled date from tomorrow to prepare all members. Matter of fact, I declare and I manifested that all members of the Senate, be in the majority and the new minority now, they are all members of the Blue Ribbon Committee para wala pong masabi na ika nga may hocus-pocus. Now, pertaining to those invited resource persons, hindi po ako sang-ayon because we have to review these people. May sasabihin po ba talaga? Mayroon po bang i-disclose? We have to review this. Number 2, the proper way to invite resource persons, you do not give it out to the media. You give it to the members first. Ang nangyari po kanina, yung lista na sinasabi nila invited sa Blue Ribbon, hindi po dumaan sa tamang process. It should have been given first to the members para kung may idadagdag, may papabawas doon, sabihin hindi, wala ito. The members should have been consulted. Kaya, you have to give me time until Monday next week kung sino po at yung oras po at exactly 9 a.m. on Monday, there will be a Blue Ribbon Committee hearing. Thank you.
Sir,
question.
Kung majority na po kayo, sir, bakit po acting SP? Why not SP?
Because it's 13. It's in the law. Kailangan mo 13. We don't have 13. So, but then we can elect the pro tempore because it doesn't say 13. Senate President. So, Senator Cayetano is still the Senate President. Because we don't have 13. It's against the law naman, di ba? We only have 12. So, well, he will be a virtual Senate President. It is what the law says. You have to have 13. We don't. We only have 12. No, Senate pro tempore.
Sir, as
acting president, acting Senate, but he's the presiding officer from now on. So, kay hindi pumasok Senator Cayetano, it will be Senator Win who will be presiding from now on.
So, are you expecting, sir, na eventually magiging Senate President and may liliban pa ba from the majority?
Kung may lilipat pa, kung may mahimasmasan ngayon ng mga kasamaan nila, and I still urge, we're still open. Doon po sa mga members po na majority, please join us. We will accept you with open arms. Let's work together for the nation, not for ourselves, not for the political parties, not for certain individuals, but for the entire country. Let's work together. We will accept you. We will embrace you.
Sir, kung may nakaka-30 nananatili pa rin Senate President ngayon si Senator Alan.
Say again? Well, right here in Rule 4 of the Senate, Section 5, it says, a pro tempore may act as acting president.
Acting Senate President?
Acting Senate President, ang pro tempore.
Sir, did you know paano po
Kumausap
naging...
kay Senator Cheese para sumama po sa grupo.
Oh, well, Senator Mix. And then, actually, yesterday pa he's not very happy anymore. Then, we really thought na yesterday he would join us, but he did not. He was thinking it over, consulting his family, his friends. And then, kanina morning, he said he will attend. But we didn't expect it. Kasi kahapon he said he'll come, but he did not. So, kanina, we were surprised when he joined us, when he arrived.
Paano po naging effective
No, pag 12 po pwede kasi majority na kami
of the 22?
of the 22 because it should be 11 divided by 2, 22 divided by 2 is 11 plus 1, so we have 12.
But that math cannot be applied on SP.
Not on SP. I'm sorry, not on SP. That's why we did not elect a Senate President because we'll be violating a law. We'll be violating the Constitution.
Sir, was there any promise to SP, to Senator Cheese, or talagang na-enlighten lang siya?
He was enlightened. I mean, kaya nga po, niyakap tayo kanina, we were surprised because Sen Mix was already, we asked Sen Mix kanina, meron bang ikang kapalit, may sinasabi niya, wala naman. But nothing.
Sir, kailan na sigurado na dadating si Senator Cheese?
There was none. Kanina, no nag-caucus kami ng 1 o'clock, wala pa eh. Kasi yesterday said na he will join, but he did not.
Well, so yung mga bandang alas 3 na sa session hall kayo, were you losing hope na dadating siya?
I was already preparing what to tell you guys na pag hindi na naman sila sumipot. Na I will say na bahala na ang taong bayan.
And gano'n po katotoo, sir? Gano'n katotoo na...
This early may nagsasabi, nilakad ng palasyo yung pagpunta rito ni Senator Cheese.
Wala namang kapalit. I mean, bakit yung number 2? Bakit makikialam ang palasyo? Bakit makikialam? I mean, this is a Senate. I mean, we're another branch of government, di ba?
Sir, what will happen pag nag-reservice si Bato?
Then, pag dumating siya, it's okay. I mean, we welcome him.
But that would make the senators 23, not 22. Ano po mangyayari sa
Well, we
akin?
already declared it. Kung susipot siya.
Sir,
Sir,
sino
to
na maging...
clarify,
Kung susipot siya.
Sir, to clarify, right now we have a Senate President and an acting Senate President. Ano po yung difference and limits ng mga functions and roles nila?
Actually, vacant yung Senate President. I mean, because may acting na tayo, di ba? There's an acting president. Si Sen Win, in his capacity as pro tempore, until a new Senate President is elected. And the only way that we can elect is we will have 13. Otherwise, we cannot elect a new Senate President. So we will be, the Senate pro tempore will be the acting Senate President.
But if SP Alan, sir, if SP Alan arrives on Monday, he will preside.
Definitely.
And not Senwin.
He will preside.
Because he remains to be the SP.
Yes, he will preside.
Can we say na hindi stable pa yung kasalukuyan na majority?
I think it's already stable because 12 kami, 10 lang sila.
Pero yung President, Senate President, hindi pa rin sa'yo.
Yeah, yung Senate President, yes. But what can he do? I mean, he might be a virtual president dahil majority na kami, di ba? 12 to 10.
Sir, pag sinabi ni Senator Marcoleta yung kanyang blue ribbon, how will you assert your blue ribbon?
That's illegal na po, yung kanyang what tomorrow. We have already instructed the Senate, the OSAA, the Senate Sergeant at Arms, the Senate Secretary.
Sir, sabi niya,
All seats vacant na po, di ba? We declared it. So, illegal na po yung gagawin niya because there's already a new Blue Ribbon Chairman.
sir, kung matutuloy tomorrow, wag daw kukurap dahil may mga minority na pwede daw kong madawit doon sa flood control announcements.
Ay, doon, kung sabi na, sana tinignan niya muna yung kagrupo niya. Ilan doon ang sabit.
Sir, sorry, ang grupo niyo po ang tawag ay majority na.
Of course.
Majority block na.
Yes, because the new majority, there's 12 of us. There's 12 of us. And then, another thing. Did you hear Senator Cheese abstain? Hindi naman So he did not abstain. Doon sa mga, when Senator Wynn said na declare all committee, seats vacant, except for the Senate presidency.
Senator, paano pag magpumilit na mag-hearing bukas yung Blue Ribbon Committee under Senator Cayetano or
I don't know how they will do that because there's already instruction to the Senate Sergeant at Arms.
Na, ano
There's a
yung
new
instruction, sir?
Sergeant at Arms.
Ano instruction, sir?
They will not be. And then there will be we're contacting now the House of Representatives that this is the Senate new majority. And even Malacanang, there's already communication. We're just waiting for the reply.
Even the guests, hindi po papapasukin tomorrow. For instance, if the 18 ex-Marines surface.
Because it's invalid already. This is already a press conference, right? I'm telling you, I'm the new Blue Ribbon Committee chair because there's a new Senate majority. Yung sinasabi po nila sila Senator Marcoleta, hindi na po sila majority, nasa minority. They only have 10. Na kung gusto mo pumunta ng mga Marines, magmerienda, pameriendahin na lang dyan.
Sir,
Meron naman.
Invited sila on Monday, sir? Yung mga Marines na yun, or yung ibang guest sana bukas, invited ba sila on Monday?
Sino ang
We
invited
will
sa Monday?
review upon consultation with the new members. Like I said, everybody is a member of the Blue Ribbon.
Sorry, sir.
Kasama po si Senator Marcoleta, kasama po si kung gusto niya pa ang ex-officio Senate President Cayetano.
Sir,
They're all invited.
Sir, sabi nila SP Alan, all of this is para hindi matuloy yung hearing nila on the flood control anomaly.
Meron na ngayon Monday, di ba?
Pero hindi, yung kanila, yung for tomorrow dapat. Are you denying that allegation? Yung version nila.
Yeah, of course. Because, number one, okay, subcommittee, dapat i-constitute ang subcommittee upon the instruction of the chairman of the committee. Sino ba yung chairman nun? Si Senator Pia Cayetano. Number two, yung mga invitations, hindi man lang dumaan, kahit naman lang sa minority leader. Ang minority leader is the ex-officio of the Blue Ribbon. Wala, hindi siya binigyan ng copy. Mabuti pa ang media meron. So, that's another violation of the rules of the Senate. Dapat ba yung mga resource persons, ang bigyan mo yung mga member ng committee para mapag-aralan nila, para we can formulate questions, anong itatanong ko dito? Not the media, because the media cannot ask them questions. Not the bloggers.
So wala kayong hinaharap doon sa katotohanan daw?
No, of course, we will look yung mga, we will still invite those people, some of those, pero we will have to review yung list nila. Hindi yung kung sino-sino, wala nang pakundangan. May mga pangalan ako na hindi ko nakilala, hindi naman contractor. Sino ba yung mga yun? Nakita ko may mga 18 Marines na yun. So we will have to consult, of course, the members until Friday.
Sir, sino lang magiging
Magkakaroon na kayo ma-elect ng USP pag may lumipat na po sa inyo?
Say again?
In due time, magkakaroon na ng
Kung may lumipat, yeah, then we can convince, then we will elect.
malapit na yun.
I hope so. But for now, ang sigurado lang is 12.
Sir, sino mag-represent sa
Ginawa
inyo,
po ninyo,
Senator?
anong mensahe niyo po kay Senator Alan Peter Cayetano?
Ang mensahe, ang tao pagod na po. Ang mensahe, lahat po nadadamay, pati po ang minority na pumapasok kami, ang gulo-gulo ng Senado, wala na kayong ginawa. Nakakahiya din po, pinapasweldohan kami araw-araw. Pagkatapos 3 days, it's a violation of the Constitution. So we really have to act drastically. Ito na nga po. Yung kung sinasabi lang, wala silang quorum, walang bilang. Paano walang bilang? There's only 22 of us now. Yung isa nagtatago, ay na magpakita. Sinasabi mo, sana, kung magpakita, sana magpakita siya. Sana hindi siya magtatakbo sa hagdanan ulit. Mag-stay siya dito sa floor, bumoto siya. Sige, let's go.
With that po, Senator, I think Senator Cheese is also facing a grave complaint before the Ombudsman.
Yes.
Paano kung maaresto din siya?
Kung may warrant of arrest. If there's a warrant of arrest. There's no warrant of arrest pa naman. Ongoing po yung investigation.
If he will be arrested, what will happen?
Well,
He will
depends.
still remain the majority.
It depends to the ombudsman po, di ba? Then we have to talk it over, di ba?
Sir, paano impeachment?
Well, one by one. I'll take formal questions.
Sa impeachment will be presiding Senator Will.
We'll have to choose. We'll have to choose from amongst ourselves.
Hindi po si Senator.
Not yet. We'll have to choose.
Sir, pwede yun kahit naka-adjourn na kayo? Pwede niyong i-elect mga kayo as Senator?
No, that will be done on July 6th.
Sir, di bang SP automatically siya yung presiding officer?
Di ba yung magiging
The July 6th, we'll still follow the July 6 schedule. Then doon po, na mag-elect kami ng impeachment trial officer.